Good morning, students. In the last ESL video, we had learnt homophones. Homophones which have similar sounds but their meanings as well as their spellings are different from each other. I hope that you have completed the homework that I had given you in the last lecture. And today we'll be moving with the tricky homophones and some commonly confused words. In grammar, along with certain simple homophones, we also have certain different other tricky homophones which we will be knowing today how to pronounce and what is the difference between the two. And also along with that, I'll be giving you a brief introduction about the commonly confused words. The words which almost have the same pronunciation but their meanings and their spellings are totally different. Yes, so now let us move further with our topic for today. That is the first one, tricky homophones. Tricky homophones, the words that are pronounced the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Look at the examples over your students. Allowed, allowed. Eight, eight. Bear, bear. Bee, bee. Blue, blue. Board, board. Break, break. Buy, buy and buy. There are three same similar looking homophones, but all of the three have different meanings. Cellar and cellar. Cereal and cereal. Course, course. Deer, deer. Doe, doe. The first doe means the female deer. Fair, fair. Flea, flea. Floor, floor. Fowl, fowl. Here, here. Hole, hole. Hour, hour. Need, need. Not, not. No, no. Lead, led. Made, made. None, none. One, one. Pale, pale. Peace, peace. Peak, peak. Plain, plain. Roll, roll. Sail, sail. Seen, seen. See, see. Soul, soul. Sun, sun. Stare, stare. Tail, tail. Through, through. Two, two, two. Again, there are three different homophones with the similar sounds but totally different meanings. Week, week. Where, where. Weather, weather. So, as we did in the last lecture, in the same way, in this lecture also, your homework for today would be to identify the meanings of all these different homophones and just to know how they are different from what they look. They are looking very similar in their sounds, but while you will be finding the meanings, you will come to know how different they are in actual. Now, let us have a look at the commonly confused words. Over here, first, let me just give you a brief introduction of the commonly confused words, and in the next lecture, we'll be moving more in detail with the confused words and also a fun and learn way of how you can accept or how you can know and understand the commonly confused words better And also you will be able to differentiate next time when you see the commonly confused words. Now basically commonly confused words, they are mostly very similar to the homophones. They also have very similar sounds. Like in homophones, sometimes there might be certain sounds which will not be as same, as equal. But in commonly confused words, why do we get confused? Sometimes we also get confused in certain people. Like, say, for example, if they are very looking alike, in the same way, these words also look very alike. Just have a look at the words. They look very alike, right? Even their sounds are very similar, but their meanings would be totally different. So in the next class, what we'll be doing is, we'll be understanding this commonly confused words, and also along with that, we'll be having a short poem which will help us as an exercise to know the difference between the two commonly confused words in a poem. So students, I will see you all in the next lecture, and for this lecture your homework will be to differentiate all these tricky homophone, all these tricky homophones, and you will be finding the meanings of each of the homophones, and you will be knowing the exact difference between the two. So you will be able to know through this how similar they look, but the exact opposite. Their meanings are very different. Okay students, I will see you in the next class.